Manuscript Collections of the Center for Adventist Research, How to Gain Access to Manuscript Collections. The Andrews University Center for Adventist Research holds over 400 named manuscript collections comprising about 4,000 linear feet of records. Materials in these collections include letters, diaries, personal items, biographical and autobiographical material, topical or subject-focused files, research and lecture notes, published and unpublished manuscripts, photographs, scrapbooks, audiovisual recordings, artifacts, and more. Much of this is considered primary research material. Somewhere over half of these collections of personal papers are currently processed and ready for research use. Work continues on those collections that are not yet available. Please note that with only a few exceptions, what we have available digitally is the finding aid and the descriptors that appear in the finding aid. Full text of the manuscript collections is generally not available at this time. Digitizing a manuscript collection is an extremely time-intensive process that we have not been able to undertake except for a handful of collections. If you would like to sponsor our digitization of a manuscript collection, please visit this website or contact us at car@andrews.edu. At the Center for Adventist Research, there are 3 ways to gain access to manuscript collections that are ready for research use. The first way to access manuscript collections is through the James White Library Catalog. First, enter the word in the keyword box Papers, followed by an author's name or subject. For example, to find the William Miller collection, type Papers and then Miller. This will help you locate the collection number, which in this case is 025. You can also enter Collection or Papers, select the archival format on the left, and view a list of all available manuscript collections. However, the search function in the James White Library Catalog is not perfect, and some collections may not appear. Therefore, alternative methods for accessing the collections are available. Be sure to check the author to make sure you have the correct collection. To locate the collection number, click on the title found in bold. The second way to access manuscript collections is through the Center's Archive Space portal. We open the Archive Space site, and the simplest way to begin your research is by using the search bar at the top of the home page or here. There, you may do a word or phrase search, and the application will return all hits across all of our manuscript collections descriptors that match your search terms. You will then need to navigate through the Archive Space environment to see the search results. For example, if you need to find collection 362, Adventist Controversial Topics 1970s to 1990s, you enter the title of the collection in the search form, click Search, and you see the collection you want in the first place. Click on it, and here you will see a general description of the collection. At the top left is the title of the collection, then its number, then content description, dates, creator of the collection, conditions governing use, and extent. You can also click on External Documents below and download a PDF document. We will talk about the PDF format a little later. To see the contents of the collection, you can look at the right side of Collection Organization or click on the top left of Collection Organization. By scrolling, you will be able to view all the folders that are in the 3 boxes of the collection and understand what is in them. By clicking on Container Inventory, you will see a list of collection boxes, and by clicking on any of them, you will be able to view a list of folders. Return to the Archive Space portal main window. You can click on Collections on the top left, and you will see a list of all the collections that have been added to this site. You can view all of them by scrolling the page. On the top right, you can sort by relevance, by title, ascending or descending, or by years. On the right side, you can add specific filters if you want to narrow your search. You can select a range of years, select subject, language, or if you are interested in a specific person, then names. Also, the Names button is on the top left, and when you click on it, you see a list of people sorted by last name. This allows you to narrow down results and find exactly what you're looking for. When you need to access the very contents of the collection folder and scan some information, you can click on the Request button located on the top right. A corresponding window will open, through which you can send your request. We do charge a per-page fee for preparing and sending you copies, digital or paper, of the requested resource. It may take a week or more to respond to your request due to staff limitations and depending on the quantity you request. The third way to access manuscript collections is through PDF format. Below is a listing of all our manuscript collections finding aids in PDF format. Look through the list until you find a collection name that interests you. When you click on it, the PDF of the finding aid or register will open. For example, the collection 362, Adventist Controversial Topics, 1970s to 1990s. Click on the title and see how the PDF document opens in a new tab. The title page contains the name of the collection, its number, and the date of creation of the document. The next page provides general information about the collection, such as scope and content, arrangement, provenance, extent, and terms of use. The following page provides a collection table of contents, where you can read what is in the 3 collection boxes and the folders in each of them. You may scroll through the finding aid or use the Find feature of the PDF reader to search for terms that appear in the finding aid. An asterisk at the end of the collection name means that it is only available in PDF format and has not yet been included in the archive space database. Thank you for watching this video, and we hope you found it useful. If you have questions or need help locating a specific collection register, please contact the Center for Adventist Research at car@andrews.edu.